Hi, Jeannie here, and today I'm going to show you how to switch a public Facebook group to a private one. So Facebook has recently changed their rules so that a public group can be seen by anybody regardless of whether they're a member. And so you can edit this setting by going to your groups and you'll select your group. So here's the group. And from here, you're going to go down to settings and click on group settings. And from here, you can go to privacy and click on the pencil. And then you can toggle this to private. Now this will give a notification to people who are already in it. And so we'll just go to save. And this change will happen in 3 days. It's permanent and members will be notified. So that's all fine. Let's go to change privacy. And it will tell you when the change will take place. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.